everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool Nugget Ice Maker. Now this thing here comes with the instruction guide, of course, and it does come as a nice stainless steel finish. A lot of neat features went into thinking about this ice maker. We've done a lot of ice makers, but this may be the first one that actually comes with this little external tube. Now this external tube is a 5-foot tube with a little filter on it. That actually, this is one of the ways that you can fill this ice maker is you can actually hook this into the back. There's a little cap that comes off of the back. You can actually attach this on here like this by just pushing it on. And then this part here can go into your water source, be it a bucket or a cup or whatever. And if it runs low on water in your ice maker, it actually will pull from the alternate source, which is really kind of a unique idea, and I hadn't seen that. It does come with a little ice scoop. And the basket that's going to hold your ice, it'll hold about 1.8 pounds of ice in here. This will actually make 40 pounds within a 24-hour period, so it does make a lot of ice, but you would have to, of course, either be using it or emptying it out. Your additional ways to use the water, if you did not want to use an external water source, is you can put some water directly into the bottom of this, or it gives you the ability to add additional water to this little upper tank overflow that will then pull the water down there when it needs it in the bottom. When it senses that there's no water down there, it can pull it from there as well. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this thing plugged in, and we're going to let this go ahead and make some ice, and then we're going to check it out. So I went ahead and pulled this 5-foot cord out of my bottle, and I wanted to show you it actually has gone ahead and it's starting to now pull the ice from this additional reservoir up here too. So if you didn't want to use that, certainly put some additional water in there, and it's been pulling from that. It just shut off just now because it's triggered the infrared sensor. So it's got an infrared sensor that actually shows through there, and when the ice gets full enough, it now shows that the ice is full, and you're now ready to enjoy your ice. So this is some nice Nugget ice. It's actually pretty uniform in there. I'm going to go ahead and put some of it in glass like for a drink here. And even in just pulling this out of the way of that infrared sensor, it's now kicked back on and it's going to start making more. So it's got this really good Nugget ice in here. Small, easy to chew. So if you're looking to chew some ice, it's going to be better than a standard ice cube or even the bullet ice. Is concerned with that. Last feature I wanted to mention is up here on top. You actually have this touch panel here. Actually allows you to self-clean as well as doing a timer function. So if you did want to turn this on a timer function, you can certainly set a timer function. There's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, or even an 8-hour timer, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours, 13. It just keeps on going. You got lots of variations for your hours. So if you're wanting to have this thing run maybe overnight, whenever you're sleeping, so that when you wake up in the morning, you've got a nice 1.8 pounds worth of ice ready for your party, you can certainly do that. And I think you will be the hit of the party.